cartoon! Let's draw our own interpretation of Glut from The Little Mermaid. Glut is a great white shark who is an evil antagonist, only seen after the introduction of Ariel. This is what he would look like in real life, but follow along for a fun cartoon interpretation. The drawing is made of mostly curves and angles. Take your time and pause the video as needed. Keep in mind that learning to draw cartoons is mostly by watching and trying. In real life, great white sharks have been known to grow up to 20 feet long. However, on average the female grows 15 to 16 feet, while the male grows 11 to 13 feet. The teeth are easy to do, just a bunch of jaggedly pointed angles in a row. Great white sharks have up to 300 serrated, triangular teeth arranged in several rows which always grow back if they break off. The tail is a bit like a crescent moon shape. This line separates the coloration from the upper and lower portion of the body. And now the distinguishing feature great white sharks are known for. The black eyeball that stares into empty space, making it appear they are not afraid of any creature, although it is known they do fear orcas. I hope you had enough fun drawing today to make you want to visit many times again and see other enjoyable creations.